If you're serious about video marketing, if your brand needs a film, then I would say, hold on tight. You never know when you're going to produce a piece of film that's going to change your brand forever. You don't excite and engage your audience by going out there with the same old viewpoints and storylines. Keep the viewer engaged, innovate, surprise them, do something new. Seize the opportunity. The drones are up, the cameras are focused. Capture it now, and it will supply you with content for many years to come. Your customer deserves more. Give them a higher perspective. Go deeper. Show them something to inspire them and allow them to dream. From an angle and a level of detail that's never been seen before. We want to see beautiful aerials and emotive cinema, but not at the expense of vertical videos, detailed video tours, and 360 virtual reality. These are all great ways to connect with your audience. So why compromise? Use them all. The confidence you'll feel when marketing your business is going to go to a whole nother level. I'm Benjamin Bryant. Join us at Bryant Media Group to bring your brand to life.